As mortgage rates trend down, one of the questions we get asked a lot is how exactly does this affect my mortgage? And that's because most people buy their home based off their monthly house payment and not just off sales price. And what I mean by that is someone will say, hey, I want a house payment around $2,500. How much home would that get me? So to help with this, I've got this nice little cheat sheet for you. I'll put it on your screen. Now feel free to screenshot this for future references. So as you look at this, we've got loan amount breakdowns and rate breakdowns. So a couple things. First is this is a 30-year fixed rate. This is also off of loan amount, and it's just principal and interest, not factoring in taxes and insurance. So let's just say you were looking at financing $400,000. You'd gotten a rate quote of 7.5%. That would have been a principal and interest payment of $27.97. Now, if rates are at 6.5%, that drops that down to $25.28, saving you about $250 a month. Now, here's another way to look at this. Let's just say that you were looking at financing $300,000 at 7.5% interest rate. That would have been $2,098. Well, what if rates get down to 6%? That would allow you to finance up to $350,000 and keep your principal and interest the same. Now, rates going down is always good, but there are two important things you'll want to take away from this. First, for every percent these rates drop, it's going to inject more home buyers. The statistic that we got was 5 million for every 1%. So if you go from 7.5 to 5, you're going to be competing against about 12.5 million more home buyers. That means that any price reduction that you may have gotten over the last few months may be going away soon because competition definitely helps the seller. Something else you'll want to consider, and this is real important, you can always refinance this loan. That means you can get the home you love today and the payment that you love down the road. So my advice is get with your real estate agent, talk through your options, see if you can possibly come down in payment or maybe go up in price range to find a home that fits your needs. More questions? Let me know.